In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get most of Photoshop's features for free with no free trial, no payments needed. Before we get started, I just want to mention one quick thing. On this channel, we post 2 to 3 videos a week doing product reviews and online tutorials such as this one. Now let's jump right in. Photoshop is probably the #1 photo editor out there for personal users and designers as well. It's packed with lots of features, and there's a lot of online tutorials on how to use Photoshop. I'm not going to talk very much about that. If you head down into the description of this video, there will be a link taking you to this website, Photopea. Photopea provides most of the Photoshop features completely free. It is web-based. The advantages of a web-based program such as this one is that it doesn't slow down your computer. It won't take any processor speed. It won't overload your computer in any way, such as Photoshop, because Photoshop is a very heavy program, but this is all web-based, so it's very light and provides most of the features that Photoshop has as well. So if we look in the center here, we have the option we can create a new project, we can open an existing one, or we can, I'm just going to view a demo here. Just going to open one of these. And as you can see, this is an image. As you can see over on this side, we have layers, exactly the same as in Photoshop. You can create new layers, create folders, and so on. I'm not going to talk much about that. And over here on the left, you have all your tools, exactly the same as in Photoshop. I'm going to explore some of these tabs up here. Going to image. In Photoshop, you have canvas size and image size, same on the website. And all these other ones are basically the same, provide the same functionality as Photoshop. And this link is provided in the description. This is completely free, no license required, no free trial. This is free for now. I cannot guarantee that it will remain free forever, but for now it is. So feel free to use it, take full advantage of it, and basically use Photoshop for free. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. If you have any questions about any of the videos on my channel, leave them in the comments. I do reply to every comment that I get, or you can also go to my About page, and I have provided my email address there. You can ask any questions there. Follow me on social media as well. See you in the next one.